How to log into Hotstar on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Open the Hotstar app. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the main menu. Go to Apps and select Hotstar from your installed apps. If you don't have the app installed, go to Apps, search, type Hotstar, and install it. Step number 2. Select Login or Sign In. Open the Hotstar app and you should see an option to log in or sign in. Select this option to proceed. Step number 3, retrieve the activation code. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Note this code as you'll need it to complete the login process. Step number 4, go to Hotstar's activation website on your phone or computer. On a mobile device or computer, open a web browser and go to the Hotstar activation page, typically hotstar.com/activate or a similar URL displayed on your TV. Step number 5, enter the activation code. Log into your Hotstar account on your device if prompted. Enter the activation code shown on your TV into the website and submit. Step number 6, confirmation. Once the code is verified, your TV will automatically refresh and you will be logged into Hotstar on your Samsung Smart TV. You can now browse and watch content.